guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
About 20 later, the month me at I was studying in England. He's in the Republic. You know why he can't, he's cannot the Kilishi. We move. Even when I hear he's a big guy, a big, a geisha.
Now they explain
to titles. We are good back.
Why are you explaining to
Aboliki, real and move. The feeling. When he is in the Republic, we last after I cross the border. The back where I cross the border back. And we pass people nowhere to talk to. You relax, you come chill, you come, some people come and they eat, you can't favor. Based on what's in my journey, agent that's what man here like. You understand me? So
I'm cooking on cross.
from there they'll give you your passport. They'll give you your EU passport. You start that one that you go straight for the Republic border, the police. As you know, the police finish your move. Now, someone that boss now went straight to waiting, straight to Agadez. How can they go Agadez? When you don't reach Agadez, and then you don't start journey, journey. You constantly eat the food, more you wire you, some will blast you. You two soiree like soiree Mwame, no le ni pot wa ma ni na wale e camp so ne ni na pot o me lu le o pot le then maybe there be one no mo wale samba is done already ke wali ba
this I don't know why they explain.
I'm Wah, total kayak lo sini. Hari pun juga tu tadi. Pun ada jadi tu di mana dia pun tu tanya. Bak ya bak ni, orang lapa.
I don't know if
Wah
you
ini
have
kalau
this
ini lambat. Dan itu dari lo. Cuma tu ni, cuma tu. Ikon aku. Total kayak. Film apa ini? Apa yang
Now welcome my people.
Welcome. Yeah, Allah ade for you.
Okay, na Morocco if I go enter house, Morocco you can like we boa. Morocco. Oh, Adebo. So na Morocco if you enter abroad, you know the let person here well, if you dey shout sometimes they will feel say na how we follow. Run everywhere now level go without so. The man I come. Wait out now. Adebo not dey talk, now make me be went at the
Thank God say today, and this woman survived from this mystery. May the God of our ancestors continue to bless our sister in Jesus' name. And please invite your friends and listen to her. She wants to clean her innocence. She want to tell everybody, say all those our women we not hear from the woman. Because they talk say this woman na bad person. Now say they did this one. Today, this our sister want to tell everybody say
show my people.
There was never a time where all those lies we are just lie against her and lie. My sister, continue. Invite your friends.
My brother, no, you don't even need
See the leaves.
many explanation.
I don't know whether or not get
You
some.
understand? Me when they talk, so I know
Now welcome.
You get that point.
See the
Why I
leaves.
don't hold anybody explanation?
Be like Ugu.
When they carry and they come from Nigeria, now the woman we born for the they talk so. When they buy here, made the year, now the woman we born to children for them they talk so. When they carry and they come from Nigeria, not be so type follow come. na flight.
Okay.
You understand? I don't change my voice. I don't change my number. Who want call? Confirm it. You call my line direct because you know when they say let's get him over. If people feel say na bad thing I do, why they don't find my number? So they call my line direct. Because now me use my money carry come from Nigeria, come abroad. Fine, no be do or die. Say man I want must marry to the end.
Yeah.
Do they get my point? No be do or die. If we not marry, talkless said we must follow up. I born for a time, I born for a thank God. It did today get picky. Thank God today me I still get picky. Everybody do okay, everybody is successful. But my problem with him is this. Why him they narrate me to take me top? He not supposed to narrate me to take me top. You understand? Me, I never wanted narrator for social media. I never wanted. This is my first time of me coming out on social media. Me, I call it talk to people. Say. Let me tell you that word just now. I don't get anybody explanation. What if say I do a bad? Make it come ask me direct. He will quote me. He will ask me, say, why you do this thing bad? I will ask her whether I be my God. And moreover, my brother, this life, anything with mama, papa do, anything with mama, papa do for life, not be the one who don't worry the children because the children, they are innocent. They are innocent, they know nothing about what their parents are doing. You get my point? So, Father, Europe, what we did, so we know as everybody be for Europe, a condition of Europe, nobody will talk say no as Europe be. So, it will all be king. Then he will say because to say that woman do a bad thing, for that simple reason, you don't care what he want to do to those children.
He abandoned them. Now, so we can.
You get my point? Because he don't care what he want to do to those children. This September, where we want end. So last week Sunday, night be my first daughter, when me born for her. Be 17 years, which is 20th of September. Mona ask her whether he called that girl, say happy birthday. Just only happy birthday. After the talk, now Mona they answer the question. Who's are they right? Make it they just calm down. I don't wish her death. You understand? I don't wish her death, but believe say my God go ask her question. Concerning waiting in us to those children. 2 girls. That's why it gets care for Europe. You know, say don't grow, you go buy bra, pants, bag, you go buy shoe. Now September we enter so with all children for Europe today. Say they buy book and all that. Mona ask now waiting in contribute among of those things. Waiting in by me as they said the word now when they view and when they watch him. At the bottom when they his name is Owowo. His name is Owowo. So I know him. I brought it to Europe since 99. Not 99 we know.
In the
I know since 95. You understand?
Yeah.
Normally, I'm not wait, the chopper. I don't know where everybody don't know how to put for Europe. In then now, it's the real name now, in a beginning. But waiting, I want to try to talk, make people they listen to me. Everybody will know saying they watch. The person they watch Arameya or OSC. Nowhere I think now. It didn't say Arameya or what is the meaning of Arameya or OSC? If you see they do for yourself. Let be the meaning of that name. You see, you say you know it's not do for yourself. You say what you not do for outside. That's over.
I will say you did
that's over. Charity begins at home. Because why me also my brother? Now 2 people call me. One see me direct, one call me online. They ask me, say, whether I me carry a neck call meet you. I say me. Me don't even know you. So that social media is a problem to me. Because I don't get chance. I don't get time. I'm a busy person. If you're full, this one I want phone call, if I can connect it. I don't pick up phone, it is silent. If I want you to silence myself, I'll put up for silence. I don't need talk. I don't get friends, I don't get where to go, you have to go to visit. For the time where I get where I say take up those children, you're not even rich. You understand? So, you know, if they're abroad, where Let me tell you the right. Now you wait. Let me put talk and say, I know we shall die. So now you know how you want to make it only for one corner. That will not be Africa. But my own problem is say, why one open charity home? Why know they take off the children? Let me one make una help me ask her. Make una ask her. Una where is the local? When they talk to people where they local, where they praise her. Good talk. My brother,
My people. My people, I will come back again because my second daughter just sent me message. Wait, make I use my son to take call on. Yeah. Good evening, how you doing? I okra soup and vegetable. Benji.
Sometimes one day when I have children that are taking care of energy. Oh God Almighty. How? If Christmas is already Christmas again, no. As well as school at the September, so we give September again and school, no. And this is like we put 2 girls for abroad. Now man will say, they take care of. Now man will say, the same one you go, they give them. Then you want to push everything home. It's possible. So as those 2 women call me, one talk to me direct, one call me for phone, say, see what they go, see person will carry your name and your father of your children name, come out now and say, what you can't happen now? Me not know this man. I don't carry matter go meet this man. They will come carry my matter come on. So this thing happen. Something what don't happen for like 4 years ago. Now the matter comes to social media now. So okay, make I look. So as I look and see I write your name, I see what you talk now. This man must call you. Make it thank you. You do well because they say that God. Now person like God is send the come. It come. God not they come back to say, this woman na shawo, this woman na prostitute. Fine. Any woman will not be husband has na name they go call her. And any woman will is fine. People will see them as you know me, they're not saying that is fine woman. Nobody praise me, I will praise myself.
Yes. We are
they not say it's fine woman. They not say I know the woman where they wear nyash. I get my own shape already. You understand? Yes. So when I ask her that question, now those people with the view are not the one when they kill you, when they curse you, when they say like lie, when they say now this.
Mommy, where are you? Huh? Are you coming back? Yeah, you want to help me carry something, come. You never did there.
They're not tired.
Give them my number. Anybody will need my number, give them my number. Okay. Now this number says where they call me, so give them. May they call me, may they ask me question. May they ask me question. Where say as the boss say if they give them those children money, or from back they say they may they ask her for life. Say as the boss 2 children, give those children money. And any man will not they take off the children for you now free. Let the men will not they take off the children. Let me call my line. Let me tell me say, Mother, what you don't say they be full. Yes, the men will not take off the children for abroad. No matter what that woman do. Yes. Those children don't play anything. Yes. Because those children don't grow tomorrow now. By next year, September, now she go be 18 years. Then you go come and go say my daughter is she's 18 today. For what? Children when me take off for many years. Your Bible, your Bible, Your best part.
He say, I just say they work for more than 13 years, I mean 14 years for Spain. He say they work all the days of his life with this person that work for the work.
I just see work, you don't work, you work process. I be not be where me going for worker, maybe now where in day.
He's a worker for inside dream. He's a dream worker. He says they work for inside where? For inside dream. He can't just sit down, come they lie. Come reach today, think they lie. Not only in one musician play sing. Not only in one kid say put for the music. Wait till make the easy to see the other song name. He said don't work. They say, how I tell they talk about? They say, Olawo dega, won kweyo adugio, Olawo dega, won kweyo adugio. Elawo, we are no more. We are a foe. We are going. Enawo de, Ena to where our canossing, to where all nothing. So shall we? Where we not talking, who just spread this cloth self in the craze. And the since you dey Facebook, we never see you for work. We never see you for work. Good evening and good afternoon, my personal person. How you dey? We never see you for work. For where? I see you yesterday when you dey comment for that live video. Woto. For Facebook now, they will come to know whether your ex-wife they lie or now you they talk lie. And it show to us now say now you they lie. Because why? You never go work. You don't dey inside house. Fry a gile, they chop a gile. You don't get teeth. Now they chop a gile pass. We don't say you know they work. Madam, you don't lie. We have to okay. Kibo I. I'm not going to kibo one. Men's work keep the little nigga. You want to go to Muhi.
Yeah.
We born two children from and they talk so. When they come from Nigeria, not be so that follow come. Now flight. You understand? I don't change.
Okay, I did man. Okay.
And any woman where is fine. People will see them as they will know me. They don't say that is fine, woman. Nobody praise me. I will praise myself.
Yes. We are
they don't say it's fine woman. They don't say I know the woman where they wear nyash. I get my own shape already. You understand? Yes. So Mona let me ask her that question. Now I don't see what they do. The one when they view you, when they call you, when they say lie, when they say now this, when they say now that.
They're not tired.
No be the people. Give them my number. Anybody will need my number, give them my number. Okay. Now this number I say where I say call you, so give them. Make them call me, make them ask me question. Make them ask me question. When I say as the boss say if they give them don't you their money. Or for party, they said they made the answer for life. Say, as your boy, 2 children, give the children money. And then in my way, not they take off the children for Europe, now fool. Let the men way not they take off the children. Let you call my line, let you tell me, say, matter what you don't say, they'll be for years. The men way they not take off the children for abroad, no matter what that woman do. Yes. Those children not get anything. Because if those children don't grow tomorrow now, by next year, and she go be 18 years, then you go come and go say my daughter is 18 today. For what? Children when me take off for many years. They will buy book, they will buy shoe, they will buy trousers, they will beat. They will buy pants, they will buy
I just say they work for more than 13 years, I mean 14 years for Spain. You say they'll work all the days of your life with this person I work in the work.
I laugh. About the work, they don't work, you work process. I be not be where me day for worker, maybe now where in day night they work.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe now where in day now you work that year. Because how many years you don't send for Europe? We will work that year. I hear that the way they drag her for months. I have worked, I have paid government for 11 years. I have do this and that since the whole time. Who know you reach out there 3 years? That's why they wash. I'm not saying I'm not the wash outside because if they send out to me, I don't care what I want, I will still wash you. They see how you progress. They see how you do. So any that person, that man, to do whatever I want it to do. Make it beg the man. Make it call the man, beg the man, say, I beg. I will pay this money back. I just have to do so thing. I will pay you so small. Because then you come and say, take, I want to pay you.
Yes.
You understand my point? Okay. Woman, where go roads, where they do prostitute, if they carry you for Europe. Do you like use that the money you take it? The money you take off your ticket. You go carry my name. You go for no, but you go on social media for Jenny there.
That money when you take carry this man come Europe. Good evening, mama baby. How you dey? Where my baby boy? If now this money when this Ajebo ex-wife take carry Ajebo come, say now 4 flat he use and build that time. And that money will reach 4 flat too. That house was still there today. Now maintenance, now the woman come the maintenance every 5 years or every if the zinc spoil. The woman can't waste the money. Now they pay me. How can you people be wasting money that you will use to be in somebody's in life? Can't go to use and carry nama come when they chop dirty. Or if they chop at the jam today, grand go the valor, talk have valor.
You carry the name, go Nigeria.
Yes.
Go meet them from Nigeria. My brother, as I said, talk at the beginning, say, anything I write, I just want to do. Not any get up for me. You don't put money from my head. You know why they put money from my head. Money will come and say they give the children a 300 euro. When they ask her whether they give them 50 euro for him, or whether they give them 1 cent or they start some Spanish money. You
know, they go
1 cent, whether they give them.
They do orphanage. Now they do orphanage.
Let me ask you.
Share the
If
video.
they get any question where they want to ask me, let they ask me. Let they ask me.
Sit down
I think they say,
My people, now know why the orphanage home no gree work. Now because he abandon his children and God come they look and say this useless man. You abandon your children, you want come they do waiting. Waiting you they try to do. Yeah? Okay, you are welcome, my lovely sister. Eh? See your life. They're going orphanage home. You don't use orphanage, you take sha. Good 3 years. Eja yaji.
yes, let us not get their explanation. The woman be said they are carrying their husband.
What invest me? You know to invest me for.
My network
like the
okay, misbehave.
Even
What did they do my network? I think they want
one of our social media presenters call me from phone say when I come talk and say Ajay, it's not a man to be trusted. That one come call me for say he know a woman. And so say what make Ajay come out. The woman is sleep around. Ajay will go work before Ajay come back for work. The woman is sleep around. He call the lie. And another person call me. He say Ajay will go work before Ajay come for work. He will sleep with you. And another content and say, make Ajay come swear put.
okay.
If Ajay not to help you, they look after your children.
Okay.
Make you go work.
My brother, if they look after my children, make I go work, like the Wahala, like the problem now, say, look after the children, finish. At the end of the month, I will keep them. When they look at the kids, I get one daughter. I will keep them. When I ask her whether I never receive money from my hand, and the next person they go, I want to give it to you.
One second.
It makes more than 10 now, make it all the break money for children. Make all the give children money.
Those money, wait, 1 minute. Ajay, those money this our sister they pay you that time when you will look after children, she will consider you will be papa with born pikin. Your wife will pay you. You can look after the pikin. Don't say the money back.
Since when from Victor Bitan yesterday afternoon be mommy, he don't enter house, useless man. Make I they say he get caught for Nigeria or when they go. Make I did they value. Okay.
But don't because he don't pass the careful. This man called Spain, like
And they go big man talk so. And you're going to accuse them. They come before us and say, working with black, or with white. You will not be able to put the motion of one way at the time.
You see, Vivian, I make a vote in line.
Okay, like that, I'm going to wait them. Only ask, I'm going to make the motion.
This man wicked though.
But they bought this one. You know that one. We assume one.
Instead of you to go take babysitter, the man when you carry a car abroad, you can't pay on babysitter. And the babysitter, if they do for Vivian house, they don't want to come up for Vivian house, not if we are broke back. Or to be moving around back. Now, that's not around back, now you're going to carry load. Now maybe a jabber, and I don't see me at the open wine. I'm not jabber, I'm never USA at the open wine. Common wine of wine of 50 cents. Now I am jabber, they can't show us. Or jabber come and they drink oil for your matter. Not be only wine. Oh yeah, Frank, a man wine.
Oh yeah, son, we have a baby mosquito, and that's all I see. Oh, maybe that's what we don't look at.
She did right. She did right.
Okay, yeah, make it right. It costs pain. It costs pain. Go follow his brother. Do that dedication.
Yeah.
Go and answer when they ask of the children.
Okay.
Okay, let's assume say if mama send me no call in line again. Who said come say I said mama this man tell me I not see the children again. I said let me go give the children money. Let me give and tell her say let me bring this money. Why you not doing like that? Why you not doing like that? He call do dedication, he come on customer.
My sister, Percy when he dey do babysitter follows you. Now he want give you money. The man are useless man. I don't want to boss say. Now make him frustrate.
He come on. I remember what I
Oh wow.
I remember what I my brother. Because when the fever, they not too wet. Well, until when you marry a more like we don't work it, me for 5 days after 5 days work it, me would it be. I use my money carry you call you home. Let my money that still say you carry your brother come, but you pay the after 5 years until the theater. But the man worry. That's your until when you met the name. Yeah, 2 more 2 not stay away for more than 5 years. You know they greet me. That's the way they take care of where I take care of as a husband. Where I compare my husband Padinia, father of my children, not be my husband, father of my children Padinia. Now there I will pass the old brother Padinia, keep our water. But the people not they greet me. Say because I don't for now. Now but they say I bring you call you right back, I don't for you. If you want to follow people where you get money, me again never pay me for Europe like this. So I don't get cash. I just use my hand work. I just struggle morning and night. So if you think they're waiting to work, when did they work? Now, that is good. Oh, no, I want to give it badly. As my brothers and sisters, not to give it badly. They make me go forward.
Everybody, my sister, wait, I think something. My father get 4 children. I get 2 sisters who senior me. 2 sisters and I senior me. My mom born 3. My first sister will be abroad. Now this road work, now she do. Take pay her madam. She gets store. She get African shop for what do they call the city for Italy? Verona. Road work. Now she do. She dey stay for the seats. Do. She dey stay for what they call a city for Italy, Bologna. Now, if not there are women, who are we? We are nothing. You understand? So, my sister, continue. So, what do they hide for inside? Now all of us they talk.
No, maybe not be that one. Maybe not be that one they talk. Now, say they carry man, they call your house.
Yes.
Maybe they carry man, they call your house.
Yes.
Okay, why not you talking and say kill me and say just see me with the man carry? Because don't already spoil my name. This is the way you talk, so I don't say here and say, I'll carry Igbo call house, I'll carry black call house. That's how they work. You don't see the way to the life. You don't see the.
We don't know her life. Person when he sit down, he say me. Carry my nakedness, go give her ask by waiting. My boyfriend holiday spin me. Poor man. How go not naked? Say I decrease. Nakedness, I'll go give her to a poor man when no get money. When woman they feed. How? How come possible like that? As even talk and say nobody believe him because they don't say they lie. Person when thief 3,000 euro, when he put life for his wife head. Now my own I don't want to believe.
When God will take the review car, one way or another, let God will take the review car and come out. Because if they talk truth, no problem. But if they lie for my head, because you they talk and not they and saying they lie now, me are you appeal saying they lie oh. Make it the year oh. Make in the year. Yeah, not the
Facebook name.
They make it just dead. Like I said, I know we shall dead.
So that's how my soup. These are my soup. How? See?
Who paid that money?
I don't know how to do that one. I don't know how to do that one. I don't know how to pay. I don't pay. I never pay. I don't know. Now I want to do that. Why that one happen? Me, I know this.
Oh.
Me, I know this. When that one happen, and I go buy and set up my house. And say I sit in the
You drive and come up for your house.
You dey get me, my daughter. So make una tell her, make it come in. Baby mama, to the baby mama. We never see whether or not they pay baby mama for the work. Before you go start the work, we want start. If you start, our
I called the family of the new wife where that fake marriage they say do so. The family tell me say their sister I carry 12 them come abroad. As he carry 12 they come abroad, she can't even have one daughter. She built 2 flats. The 2 flats where that her wife built, her clean wife built. Now then they put their mother they one flat. I just tell in wife making drive that mama come up for house. Say you want use the house still do charity. Now they want drive the mama come up now. Even that his wife who is say married for Spain now, it don't think they call debt. They call her shufa for Germany. If you do that's what if you go carry money for bank, you don't feel pay. You don't feel buy anything credit again. I don't think they call her for Spanish. Ajay put her wife for debt. Her wife no will buy anything credit, it must pay cash.
Now blacklist.
She did indebted. Germany. Her wife, because her wife they ride motor, she teaches the woman get money. As I talk to you now. Her wife they hold big money for Germany.
My brother, sorry to cut you. Anything concern your wife family.
Okay.
That's not my problem.
Okay.
Hello.
That's not your problem. You know when no one says so. When they carry their cross, that's not my own wahala. My own problem is say, the kids, children when they born for you, you they give them phones.
Okay, at the beginning, you know right now, wait, may I tell her something? You know right now. Ajay, my brother. You're my brother. This I don't tell him. Ajay, my brother, I get 2 children for Jenny here. As I did here, if I walk, I did pay one picking at 155. As I can't get 2 children now, I did share into 2. I can 80 euro each child every month. If my money is like 1.5, I will pay 50 for the children. I want to be 5. And so I said to the ground up to now. Will they pay? If you give your wife,
not to continue your life with her. Because you suppose no. Now today I no. And so that's not because of marriage, because of love, we sign documents.
Okay.
Not being we sign documents. How much they say make it they pay the children? Make it bring their bank account where they pay money. Make it
I
bring
want to beg you something. I want to beg you for one thing. I want to beg you for one thing. You see, I see go Nigeria now. Police they find out up and down now. I beg. No. If you go cry, go meet government, say they know the pay, they will collect the power from hand. I beg. I will. If she know if he come back to Germany again, because he not even get right to stay Germany, because after 3 months, he's also supposed to leave. Now you stay now. I beg, go back to Spain, go work and take care of your children. Before you bring people come off for streets, then go take care of your children. They're your children.
Good.
You know they old, they go 50 years now. And they go 50, 40 years for work again.
Take care of your own
Get country
children.
for Benin. When you want to eat the money. Now those children, I will take care of you tomorrow if you don't owe.
Okay.
You still get like 7 years to work or 8 years. Go back to Spain. Go and work. Spain don't good now. At least the young women, I think young women they don't take care of you.
Okay.
Mama.
Oh, this.
Everywhere now. Now, for between me and him now, may every month make it a brief salary. Finish. Any allegation where he talk against me, now I'm having my own Wahala. I don't concern me. Anything we like to talk, anything where people like they talk, but make it come and pay the charity to the children.
Your way, Mama. Or I am a man of God. Even when we go, Buji 8 years ago, I'm a Christian. Osa, you right do you know you wait, Sabu or wait, only Sabu or wait. Who you wait, they are do. Why they wait? Why they are around? Who her or her? Sabu or wait, Sabu or wait. Away in now when I were or Yafina do him say. I see one square your name. But today that you have a car, he said the woman get car down this way. Okay, now you get car. People tell me say they go Saturday.
Now 2001, my brother. Now we marry for Spain. Now we marry court marriage for Spain. 2011, now we divorce. You understand?
Yes,
so that's 2011.
Yes, I'll call you.
It's supposed to repay me money.
Yeah.
You know the pay.
You go pay all that money.
You get my point. But that boy 2011. Now 2011, what told that boy? Together for the same house. We see they live together for the same house. So okay, no problem. We still deal with all that, but normal. They do like that. No.
You know, say we won't be in Nigeria. We dey Europe. We see they use Nigerian mentality. Even Nigerian mentality, they know they use that mentality again. You know. Anywhere when I just birthday, if this woman still go back, go tell space say, you know, see they bring money since how many years old. Then they go write paper, go give them for Germany. Yeah, they go write paper, go give them for Germany. We won't be black. We don't care. Mama care, na ikosan. We don't care. I will say no be Oyibo wake up and say that they have single mother. That they help women. This may suppose we for make them they responsible. And we can't make them not responsible because why? We don't care. Can't say you must pay. See Oyibo. If Oyibo with his wife divorce, that children money, they go they pay every month. They must they pay every month. The matter say, it no fit work, it no concern. But that 350 euro when you go they give now 5 children, it go be 450. They go make sure say that money you work you spend 8 hours so you work before month go end you know work that money they put on for the children accounts. Just say we won't be black, especially Nigeria, we don't care. That is why it's still there for Facebook. If not, if I don't enter house. If not, if I don't enter house, calculate the bill. They will calculate the bill given. True. The woman una divorce and the country tell am say make they pay children benefit. You know they pay. Why you don't go report am to the country again? Make they pay. At this time, if you like, they say the children don't come out for that age. The month before they enter this thing, before they enter adult, they go calculate the money every month. This woman na money you carry enter house. But what you do? You just say you don't want to talk again. No, go and collect your money. Go collect your money. How can you government tell you say see what you want to do?
I was no one. No ear to hear that for outside. If not be today when they talk and they come out. If you hear, I'm gonna ask how they hear. 2 years and say we don't divorce.
Our Benin women, they too get they do get forgiveness spirits. And they still get secret. They still they forgive. They still get simple hearts. You know, see if you leave here, for example, carry 10,000, and you give okay here, you never talk them out one day. If not be forced, if you not talk them out. Now we come out now and say our women must be free. Yeah, we are the women. Our women are going to be free in our time. It's Mala, continue on.
I felt doing for fire. I felt use pepper and onion say doing. You see,
me in your house, you deny me, and you know say we got that boy since. Okay, from that 2041, now for ask now, waiting in the pay. I say they contribute.
For where? Now you give her time.
For a weekend, they can't come out. When they carry the children for vacation, say okay, make them go to stay vacation for my side. I want to ask all those things. Maybe so. I don't think get mad to. I don't think get mad to. It's a bit talk. You say for hours they talk.
You can't talk.
Now
useless men are they talk like that.
All those women when they come in name, if they see and they not get head. They not get head. They come up from the side.
We are my sister. I see what you do.
Where's mama?
He goes say you want to go to advice person at the bonnet way. How you want to advise person? Who want listen to you? Now irrelevant who say the person they irrelevant.
Share this video.
Okay, I think we know the sick. I know the entire soul anyway. I say you know ever since.
Now I call you to me, I'll take the apple.
What did they happen there? How many people they talk to?
Now come now. After that one, I tell you. One way I still tell you.
I bet on account of soup make una take chop.
Last
You are
year,
hungry.
you know now.
That one for
I know
for Nigeria matter and
I don't tell you now. I don't know where my own come be. Whether my package life I go call and be my fake life. I die. The whole thing don't get as it be. Now come just they come from na again.
who they talk?
What be this one this time?
Who they talk
This
say?
one this time. And my husband again. They come to us. Again, he said the money don't still lost.
I said, when we do last year, I be 2 months ago. They go work. Tell me go work now. How long you continue like this? Don't give her money, go use her. How long? See, my court to my day now. How long you do this one?
The one we fell to last time. That one, you don't carry on go court for you before you don't get paper. All the aware boy in Nigeria, he call our name for them. But they now court for you, don't carry us go. I don't tell you. You know the boat in Nigeria. You know the year. What do you go do that? I don't know. Hey,
Okay, na Monica they talk, so I don't know. Na Monica.
see me now. Big woman like this. They go trust me. They go trust me.
My friend, this one no let you talk. You know what I go advise you? Because this is your case, so it be like a case where you know Monica
Okay, now the time when Monica and Lolo they be friends.
No one may set fire.
Okay.
This Monica and Monica and Lolo, even though you know I mean they talk about you as big big woman thing. You go give them they say do advice for other women. And we see how you control this problem now. So all my advice to your husband is to go walk in it.
Okay, I remember this video. Like I will put water, it's too thick.
I want to walk. Somebody call on that. Walk there. He get paper. You know the year language. You know, say place you be na language. You know there.
Okay, now Lola and Monica, yeah.
My waist, look my waist. He say you go fit leave this waist. Maybe I go dey walk. I said, no, not be small thing. I even be the thick and say me.
You know, don't think like that. If not, they have me to the swallow. Make I wait first. Whether they leave, go bring water. I bet not gonna come to you. I don't see shout.
Afternoon, evening. The husband na so waist like dey look. So waist like dey walk. If you don't see me for this, you go. Money be I put for this your way. Money be I put for this your way.
Now, wow. I get that they talk and say, all these kind men, now when they get energy, make they go walk. Because when they're old, women know they do some things. Say, when you say, fix it up, my husband. You know that woman they call women. Long always they talk about marriage without no money.
Yeah, it's a big cook.
My sister,
It's a big cook.
you know, say when you watch that long of video,
You know when they put water small, you know say the leaf is strong, you know, it not be spinach, it not be that spinach when it make this thing. You see this one, if you can't greet me say they chop this one, you go fight to. You see the way when I say they prepare on.
God don't bless am,
You know, when I tell you what, you know, some are children small. Now, let them pay football contribution. No. You know that let down. You know that ballet dance where they pay money for children. You know how much they sell that clothes. You know boys. You know how much they sell football clothes. You know how much they pay for that one? Which government? No, you need to work. You need to work and keep your children money for one side. Now that one you they take the support the one where your husband works. Say they buy better things for your children. You don't know.
The money even they pay me now, the one where they pay me. I say the man where my husband fit carry money go Nigeria for where we not see money. The man call us go call our matter for a bonus. Awosunba, Ayelala, Ipepe, Ikaju, Asika, Akuku, 7 places. And those 7 places, every month, they must take.
Hey, my personal person, this your name, Edo Wulu. Edo Wulu. I know they feel Edo Wulu rock. Now, I correct her. Edo Wulu. I don't understand. At the cook. The time when I dey house, only that one. Now my family they praise me say, even they say you dey do ha. You sabi cook. If I want cook, I know how to cook well. I know how to cook. I know how to cook. For cooking, I will make sure you go maintain. I can't do this thing small, the meat small. Now so I say they cook. If you reach my pot, you say meat not there. But we a bit there. Now chicken now they cook. So because that spinach when I cook just now, that spinach and nothing they catch that spinach. Nothing they catch am. The spinach I don't know. May I show now the spinach? Maybe some people there Holland here won't be say they. If you now see the spinach, you now just say una waka pass. May I show you? Me, I not too much like this soup thick. No. Like I will pour water for this one small because this spinach, you know they bring water like My friends go tell you, you say who? Mama Karin, now let them cook for you. Too thick. Too thick. Then if I dey do an hot water, they could not put water. Wait.
They must take money from us, my sister. This one we are there, so I want cry on social media. Oh, make us
you know the person where you go there. You go tell Monica. You know, Monica, only see they close the account for the now, but if you give you a number, if you help you go for Instagram or for YouTube, don't see here. You call Monica.
Your best me, I call me Monica. I know don't go. Don't say that
No,
boss me
don't say Monica. Sometimes if people they look Monica from outside, they'll say, "Oh, Monica, no, they listen." She they listen, no. That woman can listen to people. No matter what you do.
You need to go, Monica. I know don't go see any by myself. You don't go see any go and not myself by myself.
No, you don't go down by yourself. Call your name.
This is where they be friends.
Do one. Arrange them for you. She'll be arrange them for you. And the main thing, I'm not be to even tell you, not to get other women where they cut to my sister. May you give them, may you say address other women where they copulate your when they not come for waste every morning. Money we are there for your waste. Money we are there for your waste. May you say advise women out there.
Don't tire. My sister, I think that you be telling say you na married woman also. They pay money for your waist. I been at your head. They pay money for you. For my husband, you don't tire.
Yeah, money. You get useless months.
No, I don't tire. I don't know why my people go collect money for my waist. They go collect for head. This na my head. Now maybe my husband go get head to they go work. This one if you say na my waist, he pay the money push. I don't tire. That's what we get. So say no.
You tell her, say me no go, so you no fit go. You know say if you go London, go work, money for come. Now your character is dey fear. Now your character is dey fear. That one no.
You know that thing. I if they cash me. That's
okay. That's why when your husband can travel, that time you can't go follow her. Sorry, I'm not going to talk like that. No bet.
Who's all this?
Just talk as
No, this one of the here is where you're going to say, in my girl, what the hell?
Kola, make we enjoy this topic. What you let us? Now this one okra.
What up, man?
If they wash and go, they draw one kind.
Yeah, right, man.
And the boy quickly go make friends with Monica. Because Monica know how to moto and well. Put am for speaker now. I know they like if na not put am for speaker. I just say me I put am for speaker. For this thing, when you call it, put am for speaker. They'll say come out for speaker. With the aproko DJ.
The boy is speaker.
When you speaker. With the aproko DJ. When you
so money we are taking then we are saying what forget that the money almighty because he very able cycle having a
So you know you have to get. But I don't know how people do it. Where they only you pay now. They also working your family to you must know say you are working to.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
In your way, your family to because you are doing it there. Your family to the way your family to yeah the complaint. Oh, one more. He went to jail. Always orphanage. But the boy, he don't call him a good boy. He don't go with a good boy. At least when I don't go with a film, oh, time there you are. And two way was your kid. So, well, the only thing is, oh, I can't put them in or Mike or your Mike or Kitty.
I wish I call you so.
Okay, now we quite I can put out on our TV Basona.
Now, the thoughts have been a woman. If the voice be like a day now, which voice? You know, people don't think know the day now, which voice? You just say, not the day now, which voice?
And you are so now. I get a partition, a partition in my eh? So I get what we get here now. We begin here and if you get bonnet, and if you never I have a one I have a
now the day now, which they made them so. Now the day now, wish. I mean, go to the right comment. Whether not she or not be she. Because the woman just get the voice of a day now, wish. I been a man. Be that, I don't know. More now listen to the voice.
Nothing for how many years ago right now? You understand?
Yeah.
The woman we are moving for 11 years, the woman we are 11 years, 1 year, or 90 years to do.
Okay.
1 year. The only thing now, now is a thing now,
Nobody did them. What of that woman? Not did them.
No, she go my backyard.
No, they can fear 1 year everything.
No, she no dey. She no dey here. Make you relax. But now your character, make you no be hide down. No be your character be that.
As I don't get
that thing, now they don't want cover up for now your character. Now I just tell you face to face.
Which I will do now.
You need to change that your character for that one. You feel go. You know, say, hey, this Lola Monica, what they talk about, so, they get this thing, they call Chocody class. You know that time when they behave like that, you know that.
They use me this way in your wa. I know go people are that thing. Class.
No, that thing, man, no, they touch you, woman, no, they touch you. Now, just listen and calm your brain. You understand?
Yeah.
Your body, when you make one now, they make you your husband, no, they are.
Like this, I dey like am. Not too thick. I'm done with it. I don't finish to dey cook. Now me with semo this week. Me akisere man. Why worry?
One man for inside for everybody.
Na lie, oh, they know they share, oh. Now just to calm your nerves, your urge. You know, now what they do for your body, they calm women down. Other women with body they hot. They make them they relax. They make their
naked. They say not the naked for inside.
No, nothing like that. So naked to who now? Naked to who?
Yeah.
No.
Maybe I'll tell my husband this one. Me register me. Me even for go. Me go work.
You need to go work because this teach matter. One day you go end up for jail. And if you end up for jail, you know that your character, you know they let you manage. If you don't do it, you tell yourself, when no one leave you for two. Go now, for suffer children.
Now this one, they make person know they tell friend something. You don't know that.
No,
me used to need that.
No, bet. Now the truth, yeah, I used to make a take all the thing name. Since traditional women like no know how to, you know what I mean. No bet, so.
They have.
Thank you, my sister. Me, I quick go cook before my husband go come back, because if he come back now, food and my waste. I don't tell you,
go work.
my sister, I beg. Listen, if you still person, you want advice and tell am say make no let your husband put money for his waist, to make they put money for his head. Because if husband put money for your waist, he no go work again.
Okay.
You know wetin? Why Ajabo no dey work? He no put money for his waist. Na the woman use ikpekus. Na the woman use ikpekus take work money give what ebon. Omo ye wa cho abi bi ba ya wa ti o e. Na the woman he use ikpekus work give am to Ajabo down, may go put for his head. He no put am, na him make am, he no dey work, because the man not do like this. Nah, what is that they call her? The widow. Now he go stand for road. Person when see they carry pregnancy, they go walk. As he walk finish, he give dana, he go na ogogo. This one, oh, your sole. Well, why? Oh, you when you joke up, boy. Oh, yeah, chance, but at the brain, I'm here, I was. No, let that music. Ajabo, no, okay. Ajabo, no, let that music. That music won't make her crazy. And what did that music is your oh why when no money wow remains more if you open door for her, you will go outside, they know they go. I said, what? Your mate, I don't tell this man, don't advise this man. Oh, I don't advise this man. But I don't they pay me. Yeah, Lord. Una not say I'm the person when you know they like to shout, because if I too shout, they'll be like say my belly they pay me. I don't advise this man advice. He say, hey, even because you they advise me, I sit down look you where you no get anything. 23 years for abroad. Hi. Oh, I don't tired of the advice this man. That's why they advise the day now which you can't reach today. And the day now which they ask a fellow woman where for see money take viewers. The time where a jollof vet poor, and then I will don't go ask a jollof vet say, wetin make you poor? As a jollof vet feed build house now. Now you come ask a jollof vet say, where you foresee money take build house. This down, I don't know, just common musician. Well, no, I know time. Make it go work. My personal person. Is it honey? Honey bell. Is it honey bell? Make it go work. I no hate him. This how many years you did for abroad now on eBay? How many years you did for abroad? Right hand for year. Make I count how many people wait with Ajabo, they enter abroad the same time. Then they control hotel. Oh, Dana, see what you go do that day now. You go put color for your head. Who will carry this man with economy rioi? Ibele me rioi. He chest small. Huh? Okay, wait. I'm coming. Wait. Don't open door. Wait, this is my
my sister. Thank you very
No
much.
problem. Take care.
Thank you. Greet
Now let
everybody.
go to cook for now. I go cook if you use the energy for your work.
It's I cannot tell anybody.
All right then.
Yes, my lovely people, I just from the caster water and please share this video. Let's go there. Agabeya Woefi. Isi Oluku on that window. In every nonsense, there's always a sense. You listen to this video, you don't go get anything you go do you because why? Now you dey allow your wife to sleep around as a married woman. You understand? As a married woman, and you dey allow your wife to sleep around. You listen to what this woman talk, these two women talk. They came here now to gossip you on social media about the atrocity your wife is passing through, the kind of atrocity your wife do indoor. I knew that you say you yourself you know, not maybe you don't know. See, I know this one a saga, and the same thing inside this saga. So the truth about the character of your wife, if you try to go that they are hiding this paper, now they portray for social media. So you understand? Which you know, because even when she was pregnant, if you see they allow her, they carry belly they go red lights. You understand? They carry belly go red lights. When that words are uttered that words just now, the body language and your wife talk shows that you all know how this boy can do this thing. It is shocking to you, say, how this boy can do these things. But eventually they feel say the person will tell like the Douglas and control. Unfortunately for you, my dear, you don't even come. Yes. And Douglas never come. You don't come this year, since we enter this year, and Douglas never come in one day. The last time we had Douglas talking now between me and Ola talk. It's coming now. And the last time we don't ever talk. The time when they pursue you for your when they remove you as a mentor application of your international ladies club. So ever since we do talk, whatever it is about that orphanage which on a daily basis, and they tell you if you're not this stupid, not because it's cool, because you're being hurt, it is paying you because why? Don't take kiss you now, cause me that home, the orphanage home. You understand? So the thing they pay you say, me, bring them out. Then you don't bring them out. If you get come out, and one presenter will go to join another person, you go arrest the parents. Go arrest the parents for us. You will listen in the right talk. Now we will help you broadcast them. You understand? The person when you talk about the movie, on. You just that stupid. Because unfortunately, nobody in the movie sell anybody. And the movie don't know the progress. And the movie don't give the low class contract of his lawyer. The repetition against you or your orphanage when you go arrest your parents for house. I don't say the movie are useless mama but for this case, the movie is an innocent. For this case, this way, and the movie is pure innocent. You don't know what you don't know who and who is who. Also, the movie had to bring the was so. Mobile, I feel like it's not ever ended in volume. What's the other part? You part one, yet part one. And you know, you
musician or else we and about the work for where they work, bro. Where they work, I leave the money you send for video. If the money on he made go work, he go still share. She not be him. She share go still let her face camera. This woman, oh, hi. Put that music. That's also that music they play. Where I saw a musician on Swan, you don't saw me. But I saw some Ukaga. This my chair. The order is something when they don't come out. I reached that place today now. I'm not buying. I thought I will buy because if the something come out, the chair will come to give am plint. I don't want to spoil this floor. Yeah, lovely car. Adebale, no okay. Don't say it's short. No, don't see chair where they sit down. Why would mommy Joko no red do to a Joko? See chair where they sit down. He like no serious grand though. Or I'm not so ever so tall. Ah, I'm a from Toto.
I feel supposed to or you are worried. Because I know you come from me and talk like
you know it, man when you not take care of children. I'm not barely boy, you know that better not with there. Man when not take care of children now, death and the living, now they beat her. It be like tree beside the road. If you read there, class for a body boy. Hammer for a body boy. If some people want to look at that, they'll say, I shall I open and I know who go there and they know jar. Three way dead nearby those side. You know the anything when you pour for a body, you know they regret say you spit, you knock on, you stomach. Because everywhere they jam mouth on social media. She be wanting to take a level. My love, you know the worst part of it, the one that is the most worst part of it. The group that he selected, those are the group that don't work. Those are the group they live with woman. That one from Italy come, he there with woman. The second one from Italy come, he there with woman. The one where they France from Italy come, he there with woman. Just look at them. Now only no gear still there. Now no gear still there. Germany. Then he come tell you why say make it come. They don't see money. Oh, the day where they say priceless bomb. Out of 4, 5 people where they the meeting. Now only 200 on that they feel break. Lady Youth Union. Only for as I'm on the brick. 50 euro. Okay, I will say priceless not get bicycle now when they say they carry picking. That money will reach to buy bicycle. If a bicycle when they say they carry picking and the real one with complete is 1,000 to 1,003. 1,000 to 1,003. Out of 1,002, when these people supposed to bring come, these people bring 200. Wait. Ooh, they go all over. Now this one, you know, now this one don't sit down. How can you? Then don't sit down and say, I post my nakedness. Hi, yo. Money no there with you. I don't sit down. Just how far? How? I don't want to do it. A lazy, foolish man. What you want use and do? You want buy clothes for me? I've been a Brazil, now you want buy for me. When I will come bring my breast, so you know the size of the bra when I want wear. If you come see my waist, you know the size of pants when I want wear. How? You just look social media say, now let lovely, they never tell this stupid word. May you come tell me. At the end of the day, you don't sell market for her. One woman say, when he start to talk, he dey 400. He say, when he say, lovely, you say everybody go wrong. Like that boy. Before you know, I don't see tire. They remove F for tire. This man, as big as this man is, now he be union waiting, chairman of poverty. Poverty sticky. See, okay, see there. This is how they say, "La maybe don't pray. I'll tell you, maybe the oracle." Come on. How much 3 of them supposed to, 4 of them supposed to bring? Maybe 4 of them supposed to bring like 350. No. How much? It don't even reach anything. You calculate 400, 1,200 euro. Calculate them into 4 places. Each person, how much you go pay? I bet me put them for there. Now 50 euro. Which kind? Nyama meeting be this one. Union. Did you know what they call union? Junior come bring 200 euro. To get the 200 euro. The woman went there and said no see 200 euro. Hey, now that one like that they bring. They don't get use a kebab. Use a take chop kebab because before they don't get waka all the old journey finish. They call it no get men no get come carry. They don't get enter bus go there. You enter train. You enter tram. They calculate everything come for inside 200 euro. It can remain how much? It can remain 75 euro. Now no get use and take enter this thing, buy drink, buy this one, buy this one. Like I come house. I say la they don't want you. Junior of waiting. You are a swag. You are a fune. You will not say that give that one you will make jewasi. You don't need that butue. Very useless man. How can somebody will call life? If mama just get time to trade this pikin, he become a useless person. He don't use that one until they wipe himself. Say, person don't spend euro for spend just for abroad. You don't feel build house. Then now normal thing be that. You don't gonna say, if you know that time when they call the life, if you want to talk, I go close that. If you don't call Europe, no worry. Also, look back house. Why you get close that? Also, back house somewhere. Why gbọ̀fọ́ marọ̀pá? Why gbọ̀fọ́? Enoka bọ̀, or ebe no sese. Enokeke bọ̀, or ebe no sese. You don't even know wetin they talk say. People they talk say, you open your eye. No, you go close eye, you go dey talk. You just be like butterfly when you want to caterpillar. He say, lovely, if I reach Nigeria, you go see money when I dey hold, na bondo be money when I dey hold, na bondo. All the money when they hold of the dirty, no one will be saying na chassis. He go ni koreshi about dondo. Na he dey hold, you come hold like me. The money not reach 100,000 because the money don't rise. You know this 100,000. I say they spray for this thing. Africa, they get it. Shut up. Come and show me your building. Old one. Your mate don't build old one. They don't build another one. They don't build. Come show us two. Only two. Old one. We don't reach almost 2019, 17. Come show us. Then before they ask you the new one now. Who you they advise? I don't know who this man they advise. Who want to take your advice? People when they advise, they better pass you. Hypocrite fool. I bet you need to call him mafo. Oh yeah, be quiet.
Back of this new useless person. You pass through pain. Sorrow. How your brother can go police station? When they come back, some police come out, come back for your operation. When the brother go invite the rest to station. How they take back police after bailing of your brother? How police go to the hospital for house? The fridge would have there for one money. It's not a new one. It's a command. Now, little glass buyer. Everywhere you don't like. Most of the people don't have for money. You only get the sick of it. So that's so person that bring come. The chair when they bring come, when they back come bring you now without police. So that not only they go thief something they go to my money. It's free.
Police station.
People say it's not my stupid.
I can't imagine for you family.
The boss you don't business, you don't believe. They'll go thief, after all go thief finish, you go up, your parents come give you your house. So they only have to get. You understand? For fun job. I'll put the I don't know who you are. Very soon. Because what? The more you go, you don't quit your fun job. It's just like when I'm in my studio, and I'm still building this studio. I never feel like my taste. So you will since things are not on that will never come. That's why I never open up. I go fully écoutant. I go open up. My taste here what I'm be. So if anybody supports me now, maybe get this studio first of all, buy things for inside first. So people will see this now as I want to support you with this one. You get one of them. Mine know they use one. You want to light know they use now. I want to buy a cup for you. I go to say, me don't fair buy. Person could buy the job for me. You will want feed person. You never belly full. You want open orphanage job. Our people use and make parables say, now belly full, chop belly full. Then they know say person they hungry. Then go know say the neighbor hungry. Then go for them no one like one. You never benefit. You never even see food job. You want feed people. You want feed crowd. How possible is that? You be Jesus Christ. You want feed people. You want feed people like 5 days of bread and 2 fishes. And you be Jesus Christ. You don't see how dull you say you're smart. Because you believe, say, Jesus had me open up on a job. A lot of our women in the diaspora, they don't want to be the guy that's not all those dull local champion women. They pack their money to give the guy. Money will not take care of the family. They pack and they give job. Job becoming a millionaire automatically. That's how it choose. John will open up money job. He spend no money for the money job. You don't make anything. John said you don't find a house. You don't feel so? He said you don't find a house. He said to the property for that in Nigeria. You be aware. It was all media when John was doing those things. John ran with a silver spoon. Get me in a big man picking.
Yeah.
So as a father died, he also did money for John. which job you used to start orphanage. So you don't get this mentality for your head. You don't get these things upstairs. Then you go to Colisimudia Foundation. Colisimudia started during the time of what's called coronavirus. During the time of coronavirus, COVID-19, when everyone was sitting at home, people they give out gifts to people. That's what Colisimudia they come out. Colisimudia come out and people see the way the Colisimudia was. The sincerity in Colisimudia. They never knew the people were going to get criminals.
Now me even tell say.
Then all the people they asked me they rushed to Colisimudia. But instead of that going closer to Colisimudia, they found out Colisimudia was a scammer. It was a criminal. A lot of people now will draw back. And you see that mentality, so he wants to also dive into this issue. And we're doing it cool. Now when those see me, now one boys they cash out. On that street, people they cash out now, orphanage home. You decide to modelize it, corner class. You want to cash out
nothing.
Make it the cash out. Unfortunately for you.
Orphanage home, you don't get chair, you don't get plastic chair, you don't get anything. Now you can't stay. Because you know what? Because yes, people they donate 2 million, 1 point something, 1 million for sea never dry. Now you make a run come. You can't say you go favor him. For why you want to favor you? Oh yeah, but where I want not to cover.
People like us will get sent on the media. It is not working. God is just anybody. Now most of we possess so I cut that game. Okmanafia. Also now if you go call it a live video now, I'm going to watch it. Because of mafia. Everybody that believe it. Even if you're saying the truth now, people don't think believe anymore because he was once a criminal. The same thing goes to genocide. Why say the genocide in this guy? It was a deal with Santa. Okay. He was having 2,000 views, 3,000 views. Because it's a Santa. Maybe you come and say they do donation. Nobody will watch. Because the donation can't donate. But yeah, rich man. He used to enrich himself. You hear me so? He become a millionaire with people's money. That's what people always do. People, I just say opportunity to see one IQ. Opportunity not those just play hard. Innocent women out there, people don't mostly catch books now women. And those innocent women, we don't know their left from their right. Those cycling treatment people come about to come watch out. At the end of this person the people out of peace. Instead of pump their money, they give them. They give them 1 million. Now use 200,000 for them. Now shocking 800 people pockets. The people that see here today, they're poor and poor. They are saying one in a deep poverty. Apart from that, this guy they show wasn't my guy. Gossip. Which other children don't stand healthy? Looking okay, like Mr. for that gossip.
You know why the rest no stay? As I don't already dey inside their blood. For that one, blood try. Only that boy alone, You know where sea never dry day for where God dey. You know where God put sea never dry for in mind. If you should help one person with your mind, you go, God will don't help you. God for there, God keep John for inside in mind. He say easy. Where the boy don't get papa, he don't get parents. The boy and parents, I want you. You don't get people. I go want to see my sermon. Me buy my gist. Anyway, they say they don't they chop okra again, and they chop okra, chop okra. They get where they grow rich. They say they don't they eat again. I say no, man.
For that gossip.
I'm not come join you.
No, a lot of children there. You hear me so?
Father Johnny man.
IQ. Now there, offer no job in the mafia. Offer one thing again. If that period one day, 2.5 feet. In a big, in a big profile. Offer mafia. Offer one thing. So I will. Oh God. I feel like I cry.
say you go reach now, there come the calculate say you want build house. You no work. Why you go work?
He said, "What are you doing giveaway?" My giveaway, if you don't also see, at the end of the month, when Facebook paid me, and I know the money Facebook paid me, the 10% of that money I used to do giveaway. You know, feel me? Okay.
When I can't chop,
The 10% of the money I get from my salary, the 10% I used to do giveaway.
only buy now.
For me to eat the 10%, I will use that to give away. You don't feel so?
You try.
No. You don't feel so? If I get 1 million at the end of the month, I'll take 10% of 1 million, it's 100,000. I will use that to give away. If I get 2 million,
You can pay
I will take
tax.
10% of 2 million, it will be 200,000. I'll use that to give away. If I got 5 million, the day I do 500,000 give away. That was after my last parent. I do 500,000.
No, my love
The
can't
10%
chop.
of 5 million with 500,000.
My darling, no, I can't chop.
You don't feel so? I go use that to give away.
So, too.
So they carry and they go, they give stupid orphanage home like criminals orphanage home like, or they carry the sources for one useless church. You don't feel so? I go use that to give away.
You.
I consider my house as going to sell an apple. I'm going to share
Oh,
it.
in there.
That's the just.
I carry back
I don't want to my body. No, now. Oh, that's the dashboard. That's the dashboard. Or people even spend time watching himself. If I really make the money, if I don't want to share for her, I go to share with you. Take care of me, take it. You don't know I'm not behind that for true. They feel so. Or there. Me not this thing that was a house now. They do baby just the way for woman. And the woman that go work on the house.
Only that one doing you thought you need the head of this fish. It be like saying, hey, I don't already the chicken how we take share on. Head of fish, not use and follow me play, I know they agree. Just carry the meat though. If me with you they eat now, if you they eat meat, you know cause I'm big head of meat. Don't follow me, dragon. May I show you. I dey prepare am different. Ogba mi, too hot. I only like hot food. I be like I no dey enjoy am.
No. You want to know your whole woman, the better husband has to get peace of mind, to get rest of mind. Oh, when you what do you want rest of mind?
Now,
The Bible says all things are past, all things become new. You enter husband house if you no how say you
no, they are all now. New things are past. They are all now new things are past. All things come around. Maybe they are all. They are all not be. All things are past. New things are no. They are all now. They are all now. New things are past. They still remain in those days. Me and now Mugbo. Me and ya broke. God forbid.
If I'm telling you, money, all because of stupid jealousy.
It's not you, come.
Because of stupid jealousy.
It's not you, come.
See your life today now. A cut off that one with you. Because of stupid attitude. Or down. You guys have to pray because when you marry your enemy like Vivian. And the one left the wife. Want to go and marry her enemy.
And the born good.
That's why I make this whiny and soft today. Work nothing work.
And the born no good. I already know. Omego no back in agban. Adaze no back in agban. Odanyo wadanyo no back in agban. Owe no back in agban. The man, if the man good, you not go reach this woman hand. You don't even know who be Vivian self. Now because they no good. Now because they no good. Now they can reach Vivian hand.
There are some men who say they're lazy. You get the woman they go marry, they become strong. They become strong, will show they will put the truth. You get them, you get apology.
Person when in your children that they pay on babysitter. The one when they do for Vivian house, for your mind say Vivian not they pay. Vivian they pay oh. I will tell the pikin say sit down for there. Wait till you want chop. You want chop candy. You want chop biscuit. You want drink coke. You want do this one. The thing say they do am free. You know they do am free because na house boy. Na him make am house boy. He's a house boy. Oma no etin house and then no ya move here. What did he do for that first woman body? Now he carry this way Vivian dey. You know they see if he carry the small pikin sit down. And if they let that small pikin now say, man, they lazy for life. And the pikin, they go to talk, say, why this man is not going to work? Because the pikin don't say, people, they go work. Mommy, where they go? They go work. Seriously, Papa, they have, Papa, not they go. Maybe one day, because also say, Daddy, you don't go to work. Mommy always go to work. You were mine. I see that I will handle me.
For Jenny, but your husband will get for Jenny. Your husband get carry from state. You don't forgive her made up for Jenny there. You don't have to go hustle. You don't have to go do black job. If you're asked to good for that Jenny, if
now you woman when person carry come abroad, he later that person, he go meet her. If now you go give her medal, you go give her medal.
Good for Jenny. And you say, so that one go do like clear. So that one go hustle clear. You can go there hustle.
I pray. I pray.
You know, I mean, my husband stupidly go come out after they don't buy mosquito net give him. Why can't AliExpress give? See actually mosquito net. Let's say AliExpress. Oh my, only will I there? Do go there? Or
the tracksuit when they were not saying na leader tracksuit. Leader tracksuit. It dey here. The time is say me I come some because they hear say at the talk of mosquito bag. You can't tell me say lovely they wear mosquito. You get 1,000 euros to buy mosquito. You they walk. She say mosquito na 25 euros shoe. We. You get 100 euros to buy mosquito shoe. Maybe when you get summer, you know you see mosquito shoe for 100 euros because they don't they do too much. Because an expensive thing.
Itamak.
And Victor, the cloth that they wear, when they wear, not be size, you will come tighten for belly. If you can't raise the hand up, the cloth will come. Will come raise the hand. The cloth will come waka, will come waka reach here. Then when you come draw your hand, you will come to use the hand till they push the cloth down. Does he say that place self not be size? For children.
Mais non, à ta zone, c'est ça. On va avec quelqu'un d'autre. Fait que dans les 6 mois, c'est un mot. You chase everybody around him, making him look stupid in the eye of the people. And he's so stupid.
I don't even know why from Victor they blame Vivian. Now the boy is supposed to do they blame. You will look at Vivian say, what do you this man they do for your house? Because from woman house, may come work, now you don't come off for Spain. You supposed to they blame the useless man, not be the woman who come meet.
To the call. Oya Nuna, Oya Bao. Echemanoa.
Where they do
Chemanoa. Police people are doing this thing. We say you want to do it again.
How?
Oh, a video with me. No, we play the way do it. And I don't come with this. Do this thing. If you know, not when you ship, open a thing, actually you are trusting me. But actually you trust. And this kind of person, your organization with me, really advice, really PR, really honor. I just imagine kind of nonsense like you are living.
How far they don't go put in mama?
The kind of useless life we live. It is sleep with this one. What will that go jealousy if you can? Why were you jealous? Why were you something and the Douglas? Who know why the Douglas got all the way down? Was that what you said? How do you look maybe the Douglas? You are the Douglas. You got to record down. Because of the Douglas, move your husband to Spain to go and make peace with baby mama. What you did? And he asked a question. All your records with him. Me okay, what? You go young too. When you narrate them, we have a lot of audios. We have a lot to see. This is 2 hours, 39 minutes. We'll cut it off now, we'll come back again. We have a lot of topic on our ground. We have the story of some children who are accused their mother of killing their mother of killing the grandchildren. We have the stories at hand. We're going to talk about our going to media, straight direct. And then at over. We also have a story of ground.
Almost 2
We have a lot. We're also going to talk about those people living fake life. We have an issue with people living fake life in this Europe. Coming to harassing women, killing women. Coming for that one. You understand? So we have somebody is kind of scam someone £16,000. Oh, so we are still doing the proper investigation about that issue. That's why we are not coming here about that one. There's not a lot to come up in UK. I was already UK, not UK. You still coming for it. The issue is still on my hands. I'm still working towards it. If they don't done, they will bring a come back. Oh, can never done. Oh, like the world, God, I can't rush like the world. Actually, they will go down for the film. You know, so I decided, so while all this is asking pending, I'm still waiting for my stable network. Because the network I'm using now is not just stable. You feel me? So don't wait, don't move, no mind me. Say if I bother, if we move in, yeah.
Don't preach. That one not get the one way they everywhere. Don't preach. A camera, not be as a camera, but not be so happy. You know the secret when don't preach the way. How can finish me? The cloth go finish me. That one cloth for church for you go tight. Hey, which kind of useless may be all those ways? This man, I know if follow them say for us for one day. I know what fit. Lie. Come make some for me. Give me what I take buy drink. Come give me rice. Fried dodo put. Who will they do that one? Me. Wow. All the clothes that one, they wear that one, the clothes go tight well. The belly, the clothes will come climb belly. They're going to see in navy. They're going to see in navy. Man, when you no get this thing, make they get inner wear. Don't please no get on. If you come talk. This man, no. You go talk, the clothes will go fall. They don't even see money to buy clothes. The clothes will come fold. They go come here, just be like a jebo. And then he better go take clothes. They don't come for me this food though. Me and don't money buy now. Because if I too laugh now, people me this food. I don't know where if they wear clothes they come live video. No need. Because the moment they wear they come. You go come reach on top of belly. They're going to see in never. They want the need to come, they bring the cloth, come, they wear clothes. Come. Don't go like that. Sit down, make they don't say you don't wear clothes. Or where in this union where they do so. I beg. Don't say now make me if I dey chop, I don't they like to they talk. Be like say belly don't they pay me.
We are continue. Among them work.
You don't see from Victor for dressing. More than even pull off and lock. As I don't chop, we should not even pull off for the food when I dey chop. Well, how they enjoy my chopping. The way I think everything when I dey do, I would do on make it. No, I still pull off and like I be the Facebook, you know they work again. From it on they try. For those you may want to Facebook, from it on they try. They dress. They dress hip hop guy. And so from it on they dress. Couple. Trouser when they wear everything on the time when they journey before. Now I go to carry this thing. All those what do they call that marker? Now tell from it on say not they wear that marker again. Change. Haters, when I don't feel like my this, when I put red head. Well, you don't play game. You don't get network. What will happen? You don't play. What happened? We'll let go and come back. We'll not play good. I'm not getting network, I'll be waiting. Network come out for this phone. Why? Network come out for this phone now. Wait. Let me go and come back. I don't come see network side again. But the phone is here. The network no come up, but it's low.
Baba Union social media. Et la bola va be avec mon Baba Union social media. Dia. Abuga de na ni chama Maria la yo. Chama isso. Não pode ser uma boa. O dia de be. E viu mo de enyo
Va le be kwa ki be di no se me.
Lasso. O kana boy na kiti dobi.
You dey chop when you make.
See what Vivian right to. Vivian say, go and look for something important doing.
Okay, when at the bottom they
do. Okay, go and look for something important doing instead of you being a liability to the community. What a word! That's a beautiful write-up, my dear. Nice one. That's one. Nigeria, that's a nice one. That's where you say this for me or for your husband. I don't understand. Auntie, Vivian, young one. Yeah, so you have this mentality upstairs, and you have a liability man at home. You was a stupid woman. So you have this orientation upstairs. It's good for me to want for something important we're doing, and being a nuisance, being a liability, being a stupidity to my entire family, not only just my community alone. You understand now? And so I'll come again. Your write-up is so unique. This write-up, I don't feel like that. This write-up is so nice. He said, go and look for something important to do. No, my daughter, I wait off. No, I have read this write-up. This write-up, it makes sense. It makes sense. I've been affected. Not be a devil wife with this one. Vivian, I'm here with a fit. Irabo. I'm happy. Come on, what am I saying? How Vivian born? Of the boom, don't imagine. Come of water, come. Oh, the Yawasha will be as you walk, and the ways will clean a conic bottle. Oh, so where a big one not going. Go and look for something important doing instead of being a liability to your community. What a word. What a word. So me, who me liability. You are women. So liability will give you so much. Child, you are laughing. What a word. Oh, so Vivian, what finish it? Vivian, the whole about this liability. Muna pay to them, cry. Oh God. Mental liability. Almost so. Hallelujah. But the period, uno be color. Menu liability. Let's be free. Oh. In with my liability lifestyle. In I have a 2-bedroom. Nimo Pangia. Olasana. Laro. Kakabe. When order for no one maybe, order for not does always listen, order for no God, order for no Aramea Wefi, order for not ambassador on do here, order for the very boloso, order for no God.
Now
Oh, man, see my mom.
Robert.
It is better everybody become stupid and be a liability to the community and a slave. It is better everybody become a liability like me. The way God bless me so. The way God brought my bread, they go open. God will use to bless me, fire me, go to back and forth. Now I have the pitch. Jesus. And the man will bless me, God. The enter my blessing is spray beneath my body. Ever. My brother, it's better. Everybody become a liability like me. Everybody become a liability like me. And being blessed and being lifted. Or the whole liability, who do not know of it? Or the whole liability, we are one. You know, put a one. You back on the you're famous. Very nice man, very unique man, ambassador of the here. And then one other cool. Or the whole liability, I cool. I no, yeah, fee. Men liability. When present kind of spray Euro. Hello, my beautiful daughter. Oh,
I mean, the question make her answer Vivian. Now, we supposed to answer that question for her. Vivian, who were called, you the right liability for basic platform. Who is
Bobo.
No, if you call another person liability, waiting you will call the man where you put for us. You feel like the rest something. I'm not go school, but if you like the rest something, more than the thing that you like the right. I don't go come outside. You carry your wife, we carry a call from Nigeria, call. Give up the leg, use and don't even the carry a go around do come out. Because that woman say no go again. To see you. As he see you road walk. And you they go walk at your body as a wages, they wear your best for life without no walking.
And you know they go
Vivian, make her ask you one question. Obviously, I they go for you, but I want to ask you one question. By right, you and Ajabo also supposed to walk to start with. Woman made for his wife. One man need to walk, me family take it. You coming now because you get Benin, you carry Benin go the also for streets. Opponent battle for war. Vivian, who want to wash away my shower you war there. You soon. If they come basic liability, if you come basic liability, I don't come basic liability, why I know say my husband want to walk? Because at the same time of the thing. If you not so, who are going to go I can show you what your husband's not carry person now. We carry a call, woman carry my call. We got to start as God as our life. You carry, you put that for us. When I obey the punishment, you make us suffer. Where I can make us enjoy.
Exactly.
You know that they go say jobless man. Jobless. People the limit of my life but when you run for that platform, oh, by your book who went dying. If you get single, I pay house rent now, it's a landlord on your own.
Exactly.
Now, see your own. Make sure you one wife who are you are still calling you are working. God bless you people now ask one until they leave. We ask God bless somebody. God bless somebody. And what you have okay one. We didn't wait your for your wife. Wow, see
My body don't work.
Don't call him now.
Don't work.
Jobless human being and prove jobless liability. What is
Another
what?
caller, please. One
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my please when they happen of the Bible.
Happy Sunday, happy New Month. When we dependent, you know, because if I go share the video of independence, they can say, "Good, we not there." That's not the wish anybody happy independent. Nigeria not there. Can I that today? My independence.
Forget that
So
one.
my brother, the reason we make my call at the children aspect. Now you make me call.
Which children?
Because for me, that children aspect when I come here just now, it will provoke me. Children aspect, I'm not going to look my father, even my mother. The time you know born, that to boy don't take care of him. The time you just born at all. No, not just born, that to go born, not take care of children, neglect them.
Yes.
It's not when you call God your father to take care of you. It's not when God gives you those children as your responsibility.
Thank you, Kola.
Take care of your responsibility.
Yeah.
It's not allowed to spend money on it before. But I'm not married, that to marry to become a victim of society. But I'm not married. If you're not born, not be crying. Say you're not born, not be crying. But if you don't take care of your children, are crying. As Europe is concerned, if you're not born, not be crying. But if you're born, don't take care of your children, now crying in the court of law. So now this one, me I want many people use their platform to talk. But because a lot of children now say no father to take care of them. Father don't demon that belly live and not take care of them. Now the woman comes back after the end of the time because they have children. What a father you are. So those children aspects. Don't change law, don't change law. We asking you, you told him that boy, come and tell the whole world what your brother will start storing the corpse.
Okay.
Come and tell you what your brother saw in the court. I'm not bound with more. And I do not want to make my last week. The high court is saying, for the children to become 45 years old, who bow away. I was not the one that paid for him. But then I said, I don't know.
Oh, Nike.
Yeah, the bottom.
It's not so draw. It's not just now. I was the 20 years ago. After 12 years old, I did not want to go to everyone.
Wonderful.
About many years old, I told him it's too much. It's too much. So now, it's going to change the law, It's going to change the law, Well, what do you want about
The woman can still get her money back. You can still get her money back with their law.
So what is the aspect of the money over here? They meet us people now. Let them shout out for it. They won't be able to suffer. We should do too much. And when you go when they want marry, they'll call you. Call. You are fine, you are not that. You are very fine once again. You are not that at all. If you are a child and looking at your children, you are fine. You are not that. The time has gone. You are fine, the time has gone. Imagine the children grow up, they don't see the picture. They don't come out to what they say they want to do marriage, they want to come away and but who does that? Who does that?
They are done.
They don't know how they blame the woman, say that the woman don't let me blame money for them.
Nah.
You are a woman get worried.
Now
Not sure the children get worried.
if you get one with done,
You see this thing? If you dey chop, you no want make you fat. This one is good. See, am bitter lemon. Once you just eat finish, sometimes if I not use lime, I will use this one. How that they do am? I don't eat finish, mama. God don't me eat to. Oh, huh? If they like, and where they butcher cow for where I did now, I not go there. Lie, cause I don't belly full. I don't belly full. Thank you very much. God bless you for calling me to join you to eat. I don't want it to lie. I will keep it. I'll say, give me. I will keep it. Then tomorrow morning I will warm meat and eat it. Because by this now, nothing when I go eat again. Nothing. Only waiting I will eat later. Maybe if I don't sleep, say and they look live video when people take do live, I think they eat cashew seed, you know. I eat cashew seed. But this moment, nothing. Even say my children they go even buy food now, they order food. They feel order my own journal. I will go keep them. They feel come and say, Mama, I want to order food. Should I put your own? I'll say no, I've already eat. I'll say put the money in my account. Thank you very much, love. Ule won't be.
If you are saying
don't you know what the gift in the two both of you? And then with the woman just call her, leave the children out of it. Or many people because we're eating and eating our women, and you have to be there. Who does that?
You never know somewhere.
That's your man not good. You're not the excuse. Your man not good, you're not good. What is it not good? You don't do anything. So this aspect where it may just go about their children. For one of kids from that. After I don't go, I come out. I don't know you know I need to take out for this issue. Should I go too much outside?
Thank you very much.
If you don't drink, you all cut your food. Sometimes you gotta go drink and read, sometimes I go leave them. This one, if you fat, this thing is good for you. It's going to help you. If you finish just drink and you go just be like say na chemical, now you take digest your food. And they like the little bitter, the slap, you know. Now too tasty gets. I love it. Now lemon, that bitter. I don't know what it be that bitter. Lemon, I know lemon. But that bitter leaf. Oh. No, sir.
Yes, my lovely people, still on this particular statement.
Forget
I don't
that.
see.
She be
I call for the second time. I'll call them
So, at the corner of something,
you look for something important doing.
that comment when you put so. She sound an hypocrite. He himself no say he be hypocrite. A woman that keep man in the house, the man is a jobless man. The man is 100% jobless man. He has no income. He don't contribute. He has no contribution. What did this man they do? This thing now, but I say now 69 cents, 70 cents. Do you know that this man cannot afford it? This man cannot afford 70 cents because it's not working. He doesn't receive money in anywhere. Come on, this thing I go to buy something that day. 70 euro, 75 euro. This man go to shout. I say, look at this stupid man. When we say some people they use 70 euro, they buy something week to week, 70 euro. Now this also come they shout for Facebook. You not see your mate. If your mate go do shopping, they go they pack them. They go they pack them. The other day they say lovely. You know anything for children you cannot chase me. Not the way you take chase me. If I be man, you go stand, I go stand. There was but one thing you don't do is when you go bring a con. You got nothing to offer. You are just a useless, jobless man. People like you, what do you present on social media? I lovely. You can't see I wear agbada. How much agbada when you wear? Not reach 25,000 naira. They show me agbada. You have nothing to. Yeah, they show me agbada. The man, they made a so senator suit they wear. Senator better cloth they wear. They come they show me lovely see agbada. You they crazy? Useless man. God doesn't want you want to run use me they run in live video. I can't date a man like you. Never, even in my dream. I cannot wake up and say that this man. What am I doing with this useless, jobless man? Jobless fool. He has no contribution in any society. Both home and abroad. He contribute nothing. Okay, look at this orphanage home that he opened in Benin City? Is it working? Can this man have his money every month if they enter that orphanage home? How much do you earn in a month? How much do you put in that orphanage home? Nothing. It's just on social media. Shout the other boy, I don't know. That music is telling you that you are a rich man. That music for your mind, if they play that music for your mind, say you are a wedding man. A man when they dash and land, make they do something. They collect them for your hand. A man that they rent flat for your mama. A man that they buy second-hand dead things for. This man couldn't just go to shop. You don't see your mates. I don't know why that music they bobora. When that the where they the music now they bust your head. I don't know. All the his teeth, gola. All the old gola is all of them. They don't what other gola? What was the name of that this thing? The teeth not dead there. No teeth. Sing the music again. I don't if you don't see that music. It be like say small pikin when in the new day crop. Just put music. Or they do like no say na so small children when they knew they sit down. You don't put music down, they just want to take that's how the ball just be. The time that they share richness, where you go. Now the time that they share bad mind, wickedness. Now that the night they create you. Which God create this vagabond of a man? I don't understand. When I see the time that they share goodness, this man will appear. Very primitive somebody. Always cannot understand. He's a poor man. This man don't think carry beauty come and say now they build. Then what is the air of this woman? So for you just dey Europe make money. You don't get what you want use money. Do you use and take carry this animal take on Europe? What is this one they do for Europe? This one are the one of the Edo men will be say he waste money where woman take carry and come. If na me be that woman, that money you come pay me back. I don't feel use my money carry relevant man come. Bro, you go pay. I say you be nonsense man. That was a bet. I don't know you don't know me. Come pay me my gbese. You go pay. It's no teach for inside mat again. Only here you can get it. Only here. Oh yeah. All of them don't come on. The teeth break for inside in mouth. Instead of to go meet dentist, make dentist remove all your breaking teeth for inside in mouth. No, leave them. Kai. Oh, I told you, you can't say you won't chase me. It is how they shout the way. Lovely, yeah. But when they talk to me, that will be, yeah. I said, it does. This one went, you know, 50 euro for inside. Wait till 25 euro. Say, they don't get waiting, they want use and do just the cypress. This man not get them. Hi. How did that women get they make love with this kind of poor man? If that eat they sweet. If you want buy only up it now Vivian. If you want shave now Vivian. If you want brush now Vivian. See it. Not that here you can't get it. It be like small picky way they knew they get it. It be like say they knew they get it. Later man, this already when they qua. All of them will just break. Then that time, if you go carry the snake put for side, you can swallow like snake when you swallow something. How? Oh, I told you. See, that place where you teach for come on for him, see. Now, Bizugbe was all like Bizugbe go. They look at like this. You know, supposed to say Bizugbe go use this quick shutter. Ow! Oh, who just let this man like this? Wickedness. Now wickedness, I use like this. It's not good to be wicked though. The way Adebo is now, there is a lot of men like this, wey frustrate like this. Die, they no gree die. Leave, they no gree leave. Do something back home, they no gree do something back home. Most of them are one room like they did now. They below or they do the eye poking. They frustrate. The time when they want to do as a father. They come to say now they raise. See now, if you go see some get belly like Imelu, when answer want chook knife for Ibele. Good evening, Anna. How you dey? I don't chop at the down finish now you come. I dey ask since we want chop at the down. I cook soup. I chop at the down. Don't say I don't chop now. Hey, I don't dey talk. If I don't chop, I don't get straight to. How they use food they play. No. Oh. I know this will be like say grape day. Orange, that grape orange it day. It day inside this thing. Oh, you have eaten with me, spirit. Don't carry the soup. May God bless you. He can't go. I don't understand. You just want to change. You want where you want change go. You don't change with all color. You be chameleon. Chameleon is the king of colors. No you. Hey, you go put something for her. After they go, who be this one? Oh, my one. Who be this dog? You can't wear trousers. The trousers can't make no. You better come there up. You better come just. If you see, year side for year, can't be like mocking when they put rope for your waist. You are welcome, my love. It can't be like mocking when they put rope for your waist. Now say, you this one don't know. You okay? Which for this 21st century, which man why even fall in love with that your dressing self? Wait, may I go check him. From Victor, they come back for you. Whether I go see him, I can't go to find this element where now. No, na see teeth. See him. Na see mat. No teeth for inside mat again. Una see him. Oh, see him. No teeth. See him. No teeth. Now see where he teeth for start for up for there. Now let that. Everybody. Everybody they get 32 teeth. Old school dress. Everybody they get 32 teeth. This one now. It be like say how many days? When I check on. Wait. 1, 2. Now 6 come day here. 6. Now come day here. 6. Then the for up. Consti be like say 4 day here. 4 day here. 8. 6 plus 8. How many be that one? How many? 14. Now 14 teeth. That can take this man mouth. How many can come out like that? 34. 32 teeth. Wait, no calculator. 32 teeth. 10. Now 18 teeth. Now come out for a mouth. 18. You say 16. 18. 18 teeth. Now come out for a mouth. 18. Oh, this my mouth go dey smell. Unu no so there ja. The mouth go dey smell. I was saying again, but like say I even delete and say, don't say. You get where I don't wait first.
Yes, my people, just a quick one.
I say, may I find another one can come out. Where you? I don't see him also. Now what? My people, if I say we go close. Because this one video. Victor never stay for video like this. Is when I know him. He didn't stay for this video. Wait first, me and check whether we're from Jennifer's side enter. He can't paint head. That's it. Seriously? I will say you can't get children, grown-up children. You won't paint that head, follow them. You know, a man that ignore the children that are supposed to correct him when he's out of the track, then later abandon those children. Now they have nothing to present. Sian, it does always go away, man. Sian, girl, oh waso, sian, oh waso, sian. You go just they shout, sian. Mo turn your head upside down, sian. After man waiting, they talk nothing. Sian.
Because them on door, you have me ya way. All the boy on door, or door a level with the gate. Hey! Since years, I've been a live video.
I bet live video.
My elder.
I bet.
I've never beat my younger one.
Not the
They're waiting at Casekinige. And they saw you Sekinige, Iye Pedonia. Mostly when you know this set of people, you are already after them and they are behind you. When they are behind you will come their topical. To God be the glory. I'm satisfied today. I'm grateful today that even if I go by and people don't know this small boy.
Yes, my people. Yes, my people. Just a quick one. Okay. Since
now you that know as 3,000 euro you thief for Spain, you thief money for there. Your wife come talk say if they work, say they pay you babysitter. You go they pay your own pikin, and this man come wicked rich. Your own pikin when he's supposed to they go work. His wife go they take care of children for house. Then this man come day house. The boy watch a rag you know see pikin born again. Such a wicked, useless man. Eh? Oh yeah.
Knife for all the months. This small boy do video to them. I now we man have a level. When
you no get level, go bring your house come. Go work, who know the work get level. Woman level. That day they tell me say lovely. Cause the necklace when I put for name. Lovely, come. This necklace when I put for name. Come hold on. Hold this necklace. He heavy die. You know how much this is where they my neck. You know how much it be with the diamond. It is a nyama a gold necklace. Now this one already now pure gold. Not be shower. This one are diamond with golden. This thing I take to the cross. Very heavy. He comes and they tell me say, lovely. Can I show you this thing? Come back and show you the plenty of this gold. You will not say, now with the runner. Not be you. People wait, no gold. Then they say, they'll say, yes, this gold, he heavy. He heavy, you know. See the plenty of the gold. You see, You see the plenty of the gold. You see, heavy gold. You see the plenty of the gold. You got to tell me, say, lovely, see, wait, make I turn this thing. Now the bag with that one. See, lovely, they use diamond. See, diamond. See, diamond already design on the crossing now. Diamond. You see, You see, make I show you done. See, you see the cross? Now diamond, I take design the cross. You see the way when they shine. But I feel no original one. See, diamond. I take me some gold with diamond. I be this cross. See the neck. See the chain. You see the chain. This chain, he heavy die. Because they tell me say lovely. See what I put for neck. Lovely. See what I put for neck. That one when. That my one. This one, if I can't reach answer. If I carry this one, reach answer, I don't get. You know how much I will get if diamond tester come test this thing. I don't know enter red. Now green. Now go wrong enter green. Cause they can see the pretty of this gold. You see, this is a small picking gold. See the pretty in the crease. It is that you want to do competition. You get waiting, you want to do competition with me. Where they var. We know they boast. We know why she know we be. See.
Okay, well, yeah. When we tell us, Obokima is still in our house. Then
You not marry. Now the woman I put money for your head. You are a house boy. When you carry away house boy with Spain. Anyway, you are house boy with Germany. You are a house help. A man where they pay for you to come. There is no man in Europe. And the way be man be am yon rowa. Eti owo kan ri winner. Then the man will say, "Can they pay me?" He can use man to repair himself. That is the as the use man to repair himself. Where the men, that's the backward day, Papa Wahala, Skiminya, all those people, you know they go there. You know where you want to go, they do chama. Now where they don't priest day. Where they don't priest day. Because they don't priest no still get. They say a community where one person, they see. Now be the king, one blind eye. Say the rest, they know they see. One blind eye man go be the king of the blind. You no fit come now, come tell me waiting. I want take for your body because to a friend. Aye, you want talk before? Who you want talk to? You carry program from the program they always say rob you. Who you want talk to? Oh, what that later or oh to go now person that they praise person. You don't be like Akama Lisa. You fall for up, you know, see praise and God they praise. He said nothing. It be baloy that record the way from Victor can play. Aye, it be baloy woo. Now, he get problem for teeth. He get problem for eye. This man never go for checkup. I can't long when all your teeth with this time and all of them don't break put for inside mouth. And if he get sight this your eye problem, you know, see go there. I don't tell him that they say go, you know, fit. You know, fit. You don't get, you know, fit. You don't get document. You know, fit. Oh, boy. Okay, so.
Charles said, Obokima is still in our, you know, get common one.
Obokima is still in our house. Obokima is still in our house. Delinquent moron. Obokima is still in our house. Now you go park, go meet Vivian. Abi, now Vivian park come meet you. Obokima is still in our house. That English way they speak, I don't know. Even, I don't know where. How can a conductor so they try for English? Because conductor they hear different language. They say this man do conductor to come out to talk. His lack of talk, his lack of explain to introduce himself in English language, his lack of it. Mais non, mais d'abord, non mais la wifi, non mais orphanage, non mais girl orphanage for this thing, yeah.
Guys, make una dey listen. If it's for here now, you know how did they call it? Eternal bleeding or what? He still have it on him now. This guy still they go hospital check up. But because this come and tell me congratulations. I and my wife we bought a car. This guy.
Congratulations for what? Where congratulations? Say congratulations. Say you they say as you know they go work. I never. You know you want to shout for balu on no more zona. Congratulations for what? Because you know they go. I don't understand. See your mate. Who say twere? Their cargo when they cargo, don't they land for seaport? This one don't know where seaport today is when they abroad. Now that now that way just they talk. I don't want me they shout. Before when I eat those and all dump on me kwa.
To use his dirty money to buy a conversia to celebrate me, ambassador.
See from
we are not all the prayer when you pray for me that day.
From Victor, if I pass you, find Victor na handsome guy. And he's a man will be say yes. Now hustle they hustle. Who hustle ruga. You did this thing. All those go whether they said for France. Yeah, I see like when I see like when they would say, lovely, come see the expression I put for name. Lovely, come and see the expression I put for name. Lovely, come see the expression I say, shut up, get a last. Ezigi don't want to put. If they cannot reach a Gaunsa no will give you no money. A Gaunsa will say, this one I'll call them. God not do this one I'll call them. My own what money? I buy my things, I keep it because in case if I need money. In case if I need money. If I need 1 to 900 euro now, 1,000 to 900 euro now, if I carry this one go there, I go get a catch. They will just transfer and enter my this thing. They don't pay for my accounts. I buy things in case maybe something happen. And they buy and keep. And they buy and say, na fashion. Nonsense. You see gold for my neck. I can't do it fool yourself. Bring your own come. Napoli. This is not Napoli gold. And I Napoli gold. Napoli gold now nothing. Funny for Nigeria. I also know they carry. I also say nothing there. Yeah.
Because I don't want to say the room. You want to start on the lie today.
You don't lie.
You don't
lie. You don't lie. The time when your wife confess you, man take talk where you sleep. You say you're the woman lie. Today now, not be the same thing when your wife talk. Not big from Victor talk. Now everything when you if you pull lie for person, but not be lie or not truth. But your own, you know they accept them. It will be.
You say you na me with you they do conductor. You can't know me for conductor.
You be conductor, yeah. You be conductor.
You don't see the bring come out again.
You be
You
conductor.
dey do video today. You not buy view. After your 2 hours plus video, what is wrong with your platform? Did you know?
You not buy view. See, and I found something like they watch on.
We're not going to respect senior way means.
Found something like they watch on as well.
Small pikin, we not call respect senior way meet.
You be senior way for meet you. For abroad, who meet you for abroad? We go ever respect you no day. Hi. Why this man want to butterfly? Want in a butterfly be want to caterpillar. Butterfly we want to caterpillar. Earthworm we want to millipede. Now you be. He said they no who want respect you. Now okay, now for Facebook they respect you. Now Facebook they show yourself after Facebook you enter inside house. Nothing to show. Come show us something. If you show us one thing, say, since when you there abroad, now you do people they respect you. Say the day when at the day now when they say, lovely, look better with Jawa, lovely, look better with Jawa, now throw away one house. Now say the day now when she carry, they use on the shot, they go. Now the day now when she can't carry my house. Go to the shop, hey, I don't believe with Jawa, lovely, the remaining one come bring up and say, get out here, man. You don't get what you they show. Oh, when I go, I want make me no failure. Who want to respect you? Eh? And they want to respect you.
For work, and you want drive that senior. Now therefore, now that small pikin go.
You not see the way when you take down for your life, live video presenter. Then they see senior, see junior. Everybody just using in nature for inside have because I have so very mad. As that one, if that one come now yesterday come. I got them and say you need enter house and come out for here. Where? You go see upgrade. You go see they do live video they go. Now live video now you for the guest senior. Oh, they don't settle matter for your platform. For where? Now live video. From video don't change house how many times? You dey find a perfect place when you want to stay. You, the cutting where that cutting they know they use again. Now you still get for your house. You dey talk for here. Who can know me? My people, may we call they go. Time don't go. You don't reach 2 hours. But we leave this foolish man.
And you want to drive that senior? Now 2004. I don't visit Nigeria. First trip.
Wait till you don't visit
to Nigeria. It was 2004.
What you do for Nigeria?
I went with my ex and my daughter, my first daughter. 2004, I don't visit Nigeria.
Who buy ticket? Now you buy her. Why you know now the woman I they buy ticket that time they do everything. Now you don't even feel give your pikin money they buy brazier. Come on pint when children they buy. Children pint. If you reach out they buy bread, 6 euro. Pint 1 euro. 9 for small children. 150, sometimes 2 euro. Now for small children, you when they say I carry my then now why not they take care of the children again? Good night, my personal person. Me myself, I want to come up for you. He can come talk, show us your house. And come when they go right for Nigeria, show us no. Na kabu. Oye 3,000 euro. I bet don't leave this madman. You not get what he did.
Oh, that's yep.
So I went in me and I said, okay, the Manchester, start open on the Manchester.
My people, we don't try today. Thank you all for being here, for staying with me long. Now, one day now, the woman will open door for her, make it come out. Maybe one day now. As the belly don't they yo. Maybe one day now. The woman will come see one man when belly flat, when he gets 6 pack. Yeah, I will still for put. Then go tell the boss, oh yeah, come out from my house. You know they walk. That day, because they follow me, they boast of human hair. Human hair, I mean they follow the boast of human hair. The human hair when I don't know whether my wife, I don't know who it be. When that one they use his scissors, say they trim every time. If you squeeze, you go trim her. If you squeeze, don't be human hair, all those attentive hair when they wear. If you don't squeeze, you go trim her. If you squeeze, you go trim her. You can't feel say, now me with an I carry my human hair come out. Now all of that carry come out that time. Now the way when my hand reach, now carry come out, I say you dey zuzu, you dey crazy. You want chest me? You don't feel chest me. I want to chest me. Who bonjour? You don't wear. Now when you want chest me. I beg my people, but we'll leave this one. Man, go another day. The day when I go cook stew, this thing, oil stew with small groundnut oil. I will bleach the oil stew. Then I will use groundnut oil. They do one. We'll check whether it can be on Thursday or Friday. Then I will come cook and we'll see talk of it. Then I wish home. If I can't sleep now, we'll drink water. It will be done. Bye bye.